Oh man, I'm so hungry. Luckily I have a $20 bill and a vending machine is right over there. So, let's go get a snack. Oh look, a vending machine. Let's put my money in the hole. What the heck? Why didn't it accept my dollar? Looks fine. Looks like I just gotta, I gotta uncrinkle it, I guess, or something. Luckily, there's a corner right here where I can just... Let's do the other side, too. Oh, crap. Okay. Now I can put my dollar in. Thank goodness that only costed me $1, and I can get, $19 back. So that should be good. Plus, I needed to break some cash anyways. I needed a 10, a 5, and a couple ones, I guess. 4 ones to be exact. Yeah, so, yeah. Oh, well, looks like it's dispensing the ones first. That's fine. I'll just take them and put them in my wallet, I guess. Okay, why is it still dispensing ones? It's already been, I've already had all my 4. I don't know, maybe they're just out of 5s right now. It should be fine. Just a couple more ones, I guess. Finally, my 10. What the heck? It's just gonna dispense 10 more ones? Why? What is the reasoning? Why can't you just give me a $10 bill? It'd be way quicker, and at the rate the vending machine is freaking dispensing them, it's gonna take forever to get all of my money back.